Welcome. Today, we'll show you how to install the two brushes, step by step. First, take out the original shaver head. For the facial cleaning brush, simply grab the brush with its base and install it on the shaver body. For the massager brush, don't install it directly to the shaver body. Take off the base from the facial cleaning brush, then attach the massager brush to the base. You may now install the massager brush to the shaver body. The two brushes share the same base. Switch to the right one when you need it to work.